Meaning of frozen.
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 Frozen. The term frozen refers to something that has been subjected to very low temperatures, causing the moisture in it to solidify and become ice. This can be done intentionally as a preservation technique for food or biological samples, or occur naturally in environments with extremely cold temperatures. When something is frozen, it becomes solid and immobile, unable to move or change easily. Once defrosted, the item will typically return to its previous state. Overall, the process of freezing is a useful tool for preserving and storing various items.